What's up, guys? It's Matt at Performance Fab. It's Friday morning. Just wanted to jump on here. Went to our little local drag strip last night, Greer Dragway. I did a little bit of footage on one of our buddies' cars, and I didn't do an intro, so just kind of figured I'd do a little intro and some background on it. But yeah, so our good buddy and customer Josh Davis took his car out. He did some updates this year, and he's just now getting it back together. He stays super busy doing work. You guys know Josh. He drives Big Earn and a few other cars, and he finishes race cars. So this is his Davis Solutions. But yeah, he's got a 4th Gen F body. We back half the car, I don't know, a couple years ago, put one of our 9 inches in it. The car was originally built by HFR in Maryland. The car's nothing crazy. It's a 25.5, stock floors. We back halved it. We didn't even cut out the rear frame rails because he wanted to keep it, not get crazy with cost and time. We were trying to get it done and get it running faster, but it was a torque arm car at the time. We just, like I said, we cut the center out and added some Tin Soldier 4-link brackets and built one of our housings for it. And he put a big block in it with a Pro Charger, a PAR big block. We built some zoomies for it. And then he ran it last year and did pretty well. It's kind of his shootout car. Like, he likes to go to our local tracks, hit Greer, Shady Side, and other places that have little shootouts. He'll take it. Car works really well. But anyway, so beginning of the year, he wanted to do some changes. Being a big block in an F body with stock front suspension, the strut towers are humongous. It's hard to get to the plugs, so he decided he wanted to strut front it. So we tubed the front end, strutted it, put some new Santa struts on it. He bought a Kostic one-piece front end, so we mounted that stuff, built a tree, all those things. I'm trying to think what else. That was the bulk of it, but then it went, our buddy Jake at Tinsley Custom Coatings, he did all the powder coating. They actually put a carbon roof on it. It's still got the front frame rail, so it's kind of an LDR legal car if we wanted it to be. It's actually still got a K-member on it. We just we built A-arms off of the K-member, the Racecraft K-member. But anyway, so basically I just tried to get a few video clips last night of his car while we were there, and just first outing, didn't make but a couple passes. Shook the tires terrible the first time, made a few changes. Devin was there helping him on the keys, just trying to get it figured out because the car lost a little weight. Rear suspension's all the same, front's all new. Just little bugs, but it's pretty cool. So check it out. Hope you like it. See ya.
You still have the paper or no?